If you're in the market for wet wipes that are both gentle on the environment and effective in use, look no further than Tang-Style Group. With a long-standing reputation for providing high-quality products and services to the world's top 500 enterprises, Tang-Style Group is a leading provider of quality dining and kitchen quick-selling products in the industry. At Tang-Style Group, we know that our customers demand the best in quality and eco-friendliness. That's why we've been committed to strict quality control for over 30 years. Our products are sold in over 60 countries on 4 continents, providing environmentally friendly wet wipes to a global community. Our certification certificates include SC, SGS, and WSF, giving our customers peace of mind that our products meet the highest international standards. Our subsidiary, Guilin Hoping Housewares Co., Limited, is dedicated to producing high-quality wet wipe products. With a wet wipe production line of 26 lines, we have an annual capacity of 90 million pieces per month. Our wet wipes are made with the highest quality materials and are gentle on the environment, making them the perfect choice for customers who care about the planet. But we don't stop there. Tang-Style Group is committed to sustainability and environmental stewardship. That's why we focus on the research and development of bamboo and wood products, cleaning wet wipes, and paper products. Our equipment and capacity include a 10,000 level sterile workshop, a paper product production line with 8 lines, with an annual capacity of 1,000 tons month, and a bamboo and wood product production line with 12 lines, with a production capacity of 110 tons per day. Our dedication to quality and sustainability has earned us a roster of top clients, including Cisco, Starbucks, McDonald's, and Japan's Skylark International Catering Group. And with a team of 150 dedicated professionals, we have the experience and expertise to meet the needs of any customer. So if you're in the market for environmentally friendly wet wipes, look no further than Tang-Style Group. With our commitment to quality, sustainability, and environmental stewardship,